Is your law firm making the most of video marketing? If not, you could be leaving countless potential clients on the table. Today, we're breaking down short form versus long form videos and how each can help your practice build trust, attract clients, and establish authority in your field. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. In today's competitive legal market, video content is one of the most powerful ways to connect with potential clients. Why? Because videos can educate, engage, and most importantly, build trust, all before a client ever steps foot in your office. Whether it's answering FAQs, giving clients a peek behind the curtain, or providing in-depth insights into legal topics, videos have become essential for modern law firm marketing. Let's start with short form videos, those quick punchy clips under 2 minutes long. They thrive on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn, where people scroll fast and make snap decisions about what to watch. Here's why short form videos work so well for law firms. High engagement rates. 73% of people prefer short videos over text or images to learn about services. Budget-friendly production. A simple 60-second clip like 3 tips to prepare for divorce mediation can be shot with just a smartphone. Boosted brand awareness. Social media platforms prioritize short, shareable content, helping your firm reach a wider audience. Think of short-form videos as your gateway content. Grab attention, deliver value, and direct viewers to your longer resources. Not sure where to start? Here are some easy short-form video ideas tailored for law firms. FAQs. Address common questions like, how does bankruptcy affect my credit? Client testimonials. Let happy clients share their experiences with your firm. Behind the scenes. Show the human side of your practice with clips of your team in action. Lawyer introductions. Give potential clients a reason to connect with you on a personal level. Each of these ideas can be created quickly and has the potential to resonate with your audience. Now, let's move on to long-form videos, typically 5 to 10 minutes or longer. These are perfect for diving deep into complex topics and showcasing your expertise. Here's what long-form videos bring to the table. Showcasing expertise. Demonstrate your knowledge on subjects like the legal process of estate planning. Enhanced SEO. Search engines prioritize detailed, valuable content, making long-form videos great for driving organic traffic. Trust building. Clients who watch an in-depth video are more likely to trust you and your advice. Long-form videos are ideal for YouTube, your website, or live webinars. They give your audience the in-depth answers they're searching for. Need inspiration? Here's some ideas for long-form video content. Educational webinars. Host a session on navigating new tax laws for small businesses. Case studies. Walk through a past case while maintaining confidentiality to show how your firm works. Deep dive explainers. Create tutorials like step-by-step guide to filing for divorce in your state. These videos not only showcase your knowledge, but also position you as the go-to expert in your field. The magic happens when you combine these two formats. Here's an example. A family law firm creates a 60-second video titled 5 Signs You Need a Divorce Lawyer, shared on Instagram and TikTok. The video ends with a call to action directing viewers to their website. On their website, viewers find a 15-minute deep dive explaining the divorce process. The short video grabs attention, the long one builds trust and converts viewers into clients. To make your videos stand out, Keep these best practices in mind. Maintain professionalism. Your content should reflect the gravity of your services. Invest in quality. Good lighting, clear audio, and proper editing significantly impact how viewers perceive your videos. Use analytics. Measure engagement to refine your strategy. And include CTAs. Always guide viewers to their next step, like booking a consultation or subscribing for more tips. Video marketing is your secret weapon for building trust and growing your practice. By combining short form and long form videos, you can engage your audience at every stage of their journey. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to transform your firm's marketing strategy, give us a call. We'll handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, helping your clients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and we will see you in the next one.